measure of D, and then move it up 2 frets. And strum those same 4 strings for 1 measure. Here we go. 1, we'll start with whole notes. 2, 1, 2, ready, go. D major, now move it up 2 frets. Same form, back 2. Good, now up 2 frets. 3, back 2. There's D, now up 2. 2, 3, 4. While you get used to it, just make sure you land on beat 1, and then you can move your way back down to D, and then move your way up to this E, sort of like an E chord, E with the D in the bass, depending on how you want to spell it, depending on the chord's function, but we'll get into that later. Right now, enjoy the sound. I'll let mine ring out a little